ba yung sikreto pwede mo i-share sa amin? Kasi ka ganyan. Bakit ka bang fear?
Hindi naman masyado. No, but kidding aside, I love to sleep. Introvert kasi ako, so I'd rather stay at home with my kids, sleep, and I stay away from negativity and dramas. Ayoko ng drama. So, positive lang. Positive ang outlook sa life. Always be grateful for what you have. And kung ano yung wala, always just focus on what you have. And of course, aside from tayo sell, I work out. I work out 3 to 4 times a week. I used to box. Nagbo-boxing ako eh. Pero ngayon, iba naman. So, soon, in a few months, you'll see a version 2.0 sunshine. So, I'm working on myself. Yun lang, so self-love. Kailangan lang mahalin ang sarili. Yun nga sinasabi ko even before. If you expect a person or people to love you have to love yourself first. Diba? So, yun ang ginagawa ko ngayon. To stay healthy, fit, not just for myself, but for my family. Very, very simple ang skincare ko. I remove my makeup. I don't sleep with makeup on. And just a moisturizer, eye cream. Of course, when you turn 40, actually 30 pa lang ako, nag-eye cream na ako. Kasi doon makikita talaga pag nag-age sa eyes. And what else? Drink lots of water. Water talaga. Lagi akong meron dalang water. And sleep. Sleep talaga kasi kahit anong skincare natin natin, if you lack sleep, then makikita talaga sa skin natin. Kung ginaya nila ako, yeah, so nakikita nila kasi kahit kung bata pa sila, I take care of my skin and they will imitate me. So, pag meron silang mga blemishes, of course, I tell them to do something about it. Yun lang. Kasi syempre kung kami kikay, puro babae talaga. And I think it's an advantage ng mommy nila medyo kikay din. So, of course, as a mom, ayaw mo makita na ang mga anak mo medyo napapabayaan din ng skin. So, I can tell them what to do. I take care of them.
That Biocell really works. The first one was presented in the International Journal of Dermatology. It's a very reputable publication for dermatologists. And the next study was presented in the American Academy of Dermatology. So this is not just thing that we're saying. So it really works. When we went to America to talk to the doctor, he said, you know, we Filipinos is like the whole thing. But the most important advantage or the thing that Glutathione can do is anti-aging. That's why now we're into the second phase of our promotion, not just whitening, but anti-aging. So it really works. So